it on the bottom.
Okay, so do you want to start now? We're just gonna be making this and just comping and stuff. And you're like, oh yeah, I want this one. I want this. I want the activator.
You mean magic.
And then it's gonna be time to mix with the big giant spoons. I just hold, but whatever.
And so, who cares?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
You need the white glue too. Here you
Oh
go.
yeah. Can you open this?
Yeah. Okay. Here you go.
Trying to open it.
Oh my gosh, it's so cool.
3, 2. I'm so excited. Wait. Oh my gosh. I feel good. Here we go.
Do you need help?
No. I'm not the professional at speaking glue. Oh, that sound! Oh, look at that bubble!
That's really cool. You guys, we're using these bowls because we're gonna show you at the
Because we
end.
don't have any like bowls, like glass bowls or
Whatever.
because we might break them.
Okay, keep squeezing. While she's doing that, I can't believe she's doing that right now, but I'm gonna use the
Oh yeah, look how much I did already.
oh my gosh. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's a lot of glue, Mia.
Oh, did he open the white?
Oh no, I didn't. Open the white bottle. Oh gosh, I can't open it. Okay, open the white bottle. Don't pour all of it though, okay? Because I might use some. Okay? So I have the blue
Whoops, I
glue.
forgot to save some for you.
It's okay. I'll use the rest of this after. Oh my gosh, it's really sticky now.
3,
2, 1. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this right now. Wait, I'm gonna try to
Look
get
how
the
much
glitter.
mine.
Mia's gonna get. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's enough. Wait, there we go.
That's
now
enough.
you need the cap. Now you need the cap. Put the cap on.
I'm
That's a lot. That's really cool, Mia. Okay. Wait.
No, I'm gonna try to mix it and see what color.
Try to get the glitter at the bottom. Oh, okay. That's
Oh,
enough.
that's so satisfying. No, I'm gonna mix it.
Okay, this is the purple. No, you can't mix it. Oh wait, yeah, you are. Wait, do you want to add some foam beads or something to
Oh
it?
yeah. I'm gonna add some foam.
Oh, I'm really. This is really cool. Okay.
I know it's so.
Okay, now I'm just gonna add. I love some clear glue. It goes with anything. Or just
Anything. Wait, can you take some for me?
yeah, I won't.
Because I
I don't know.
wanna make
There's
it
like
a
only
little-
half a
like-
bottle though.
Because I want to make it like a little looser. It's cool.
I can't. Oh,
Ah!
I got it.
Oh, I already got 2 in there.
Okay, there we go. No, I got it. Okay. Some clear glue. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. I only need a little bit clear.
Okay, that's enough foam beads.
Oh my gosh, man, oh my gosh, that slime's gonna be so cool. I can't wait to see what that
Okay,
makes.
I'm gonna see.
does.
Now I'm gonna add a little bit of pink.
Pink glue.
I want some of the clear.
Okay,
Here.
save some because I'm probably gonna use some more from another slime. Okay. Okay, that's it. Pretty. Oh, that's making purple. It's making purple. Why did I do that? No. I don't want it to make purple. I'm trying to make mine a galaxy slime.
Okay, I got glue on my hands. I'll just.
Okay, I'm gonna do some activator now.
Wait! Put some foam beads.
Mia, really? I don't want those. You put them to yourself. I can't wait. I'm
No, I'm
the
gonna make.
magical liquid.
Yeah, I'm gonna have mine.
Wait, Mia, I'm gonna do it because I can't wait. We're gonna use one bottle at a time so we don't waste it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's good. That's enough.
Can I do it?
No, wait, hang on. I'm gonna do it with you, okay?
Oh, no, I got it.
Okay, I'll tell you when to stop, okay?
3, 2, 1.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Okay. Put this.
Oh my gosh, it's so exciting.
Here, maybe a little bit more.
That's good.
That looks
I see.
so nice. What? Ready? Now it's our first slime. 3, 2, 1. Oh!
Oh, look at the white glue.
Oh gosh. Oh, it's actually turning into slime right now.
Yeah.
I think we added enough.
I think that
This is so cool.
I know. I think you added a little.
Oh, that looks really pretty, Mia.
I know.
Oh, it's actually turning into slime. That's a pretty blue color.
I think
more gooier.
Yeah, because you had way too much activator.
No.
I think how much I poured it was good. This is so pretty, guys. Guys, look.
It's like a light purple. It's
Look at
really
this slime.
cool.
Look at this slime.
It's not really slime yet, though.
I know.
Wait, okay, I'm gonna keep mixing for like another minute or so.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, look at my slime.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Our
gosh.
first time making slime is so awesome!
I don't know why it's so fun.
I know.
Are we gonna make another slime in this video?
Yeah, probably. No, maybe this is just the only slime.
Let's just add one more slime in this
Maybe,
video.
I don't know. Okay, this is so cool. And then we can put, oh, okay, I don't know.
Oh, minus 3
A little, oh yeah, it is. That looks so pretty, Mia.
Good thing that so pretty.
Okay,
It looks
okay.
like grape slime.
Okay, I think I'm done mixing, guys. So
I wanna feel your slime.
No, not yet. I have to feel it first because it's my slime. Oh my gosh, so hard.
Mine is so big.
Yours
Guys.
is so big too. Okay, oh gosh.
Oh, God. I don't
Okay,
want it to
3,
jump
2, 1. Oh my gosh.
Is it really?
No,
good?
I think I need to mix it more actually.
Oh, no.
Maybe I need more activator? I don't know.
Here, I'll open more activator. for
No,
you.
I get that.
Whoops.
Okay, here is this big glue.
Here, I'll
No,
have
a
some
little bit
more.
activator. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Hang on, I'm gonna go get a paper
This is
towel.
like. Oh my gosh! Wait. This is not our best slime, but it's actually turning into slime. Just wasted activator. Oh gosh, we just wasted activator right now. It's not the best. Wait, dude, how much should we use? Oh, it's not that bad, right? That's why you need to help me. Okay, so this is my slime. My slime is nice blue. It's really gooey, but it's really nice. And it's really nice. And then when you stick your fingers in it, it feels good. Wait, listen. Well, it's not the best, but it still feels really good.
Okay. I'm playing on this bed, but
Okay. Look at the glue. Oh!
what?
Look at it.
Oh, this is our first time making glue. Oh my God, it's like so pretty.
Okay, keep mixing for a little bit.
Oh yeah, nice. It looks like
Okay.
glue is in there.
Okay, I don't know how, but this is really hard to get off. So
Wait, I'm an activator.
So here we go. Okay.
I'm gonna feel my slime, but
Wait, keep mixing. That looks very like gooey still.
yeah.
Okay. So guys.
It's so hard because the mine is so big. Wait,
I
are
know.
we gonna make another slime?
No, it's not enough time. Sorry, guys. Even though you got to see us make our first slime. Well, I did make another slime, but I mean like on this YouTube channel. It's really nice, right?
Wow.
So, guys, if you like this video, smash that
Wait,
gooey
I'm gonna
button.
I'm
I'm just
gonna-
kidding.
I'm
Smash
gonna
that
feel
like
my
button.
slime. I'm gonna feel
3,
my slime.
2, 1.
Oh.
So guys, if you
Mine
like
is
this
so
video,
gooey.
smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time.
Feels
Goodbye.
so gross.
Oh, wait, I need to press the button, guys.